Dear friends, let's talk about anal fissure, a small cut that causes big pain. In this video, you will get detailed information about causes, symptoms, diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of anal fissures. What is an anal fissure? An anal fissure is a small tear or crack in the skin lining the anus. It usually happens after passing hard stools or straining during bowel movements. Think of it like a paper cut, but in a very sensitive place. Anal fissure causes. Anal fissures can affect anyone, but are most common in infants and middle-aged adults. Common causes of anal fissures are as follows: passing large or hard stools, chronic constipation, straining during bowel movements, frequent diarrhea, childbirth trauma, anal sex in some cases, inflammatory bowel disease like Crohn's. Even stress and poor diet can contribute indirectly. Besides, anal fissure are also caused by HIV, anal cancer, lupus, syphilis, and tuberculosis etc. Anal fissure symptoms. The important symptoms of anal fissure are as follows: sharp burning pain during or after pooping, bright red blood on toilet paper or in the bowl, itching or irritation around the anus, a small visible tear or skin tag. Pain is usually severe and people often confuse it with hemorrhoids, but it's different. Anal fissure diagnosis. To diagnose anal fissure, your doctor will go through your medical history, do a gentle physical examination of the anal area. Besides, for most people, no special tests or scans are needed. But if your fissure is not healing or if it looks unusual, your doctor may suggest anoscopy. In anoscopy, a small tube is used to view the inside of the anal canal. Besides, your doctor may also recommend sigmoidoscopy or colonoscopy. If you are over 50 or have other symptoms like weight loss, diarrhea, or family history of colon disease. Anal fissure treatment. Here I am presenting the best ways to treat anal fissures. These are as follows. 1. Home remedies. Most of the anal fissures heal with simple care such as eat high fiber diet, fruits, veggies and whole grains, drink plenty of water, take sits baths for 15-20 minutes 2-3 times a day. Don't strain during bowel movements. Use soft toilet paper or wipes and avoid rubbing hard. These steps reduce irritation and help the tear to heal faster. 2. Medications. If home care is not enough, your doctor may suggest stool softeners or laxatives to avoid hard stools, numbing creams like lidocaine for pain relief, vasodilator creams like nitroglycerin or nifedipine to relax anal muscles and improve blood flow, hydrocortisone cream for inflammation if needed. Please remember, always use these medications under strict medical guidance. 3. Botox injection. Still no relief? Your doctor might try a Botox injection into the anal sphincter. For short period, it relaxes the muscle, reduces spasms and allows healing. Number 4 is surgery. If nothing else works, minor surgery may be recommended. The most common one is lateral internal sphincterotomy. In this surgery, a small cut is given in the anal muscle to reduce tension and promote healing. Prevention of anal fissure. You can easily prevent anal fissure by following these tips. Eat fiber-rich foods. Stay well hydrated. Don't delay bowel movements. Exercise regularly. Avoid excessive wiping or harsh toilet paper. This was all about anal fissure. Anal fissures are common and treatable, but early care is the key. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more health updates.